I'm weak.
Boy, put up in the gut.
You feel me? What's poppin', YouTube, man? It's your boy BackendRastaa, back with another video. Today I'm starting off the video with a little POV of the new big body Nline. This video I'm gonna be going over all the details, bringing it to get detailed right now. That's why I'm heading right now to go get detailed. I'm 20 minutes away, so I want to get it detailed so I can show y'all like the actual beauty of the vehicle and stuff like that. I'm gonna go over all the features. I'm gonna give y'all some highway pulls. There's even a self-driving feature on the vehicle as well that I want to show y'all. But when I get to the detail shop, I will show y'all guys the before and how it looks, because it's very, very dirty right now. We just got here, Empire Autos. My son Victor put me on to this detailing spot. I guess they do other stuff as well, like window tinting, sound and audio, and wraps. Okay, that's 30. But this is how the V is looking right now. It's looking extra dirty due to the salt and due to the snow that we got a couple days ago. But this is the only, I guess, like half decent clean door. That's because it got repainted a couple days ago. But But this is how it's looking. This is the inside right here. It's not as bad. It's not dirty, you know what I mean? It's not horrible, but this is the inside. I got a Skittle right here. Let me take this out. The Skittle this bit. This is the front. This is the dirty part, because all the salt and the snow is all up in here, bro. The seats look a little crazy as well. But I'm finna get this all detailed and stuff like that. McLaren, what's that, a 570 S? Ooh. You want to race? You think I could take him, y'all? Nah, I think he would beat mine. I'm not gonna lie. They also got a Q50 right there. That's tough. I mean, bro, I love these damn headlights, bro. This probably got to be like one of my favorite things about this vehicle, bro. It's like it fades into the hood, bro. That shit is so fire, bro. And then how the back is looking beautiful. Oh my gosh, man, this shit looks beautiful. But yeah, big shout out to them. It's fake kind of late tonight, so in the morning time when I get up when I'm at college, I'm gonna just actually record the whole video and show y'all the features and shit like that, because it's already nighttime, so there's no point. So this is the better look of how it looks, you know what I mean, after the car wash. Oh my, look at these pretty ass headlights, bro. You know what I mean? That's how it's looking. The paint matches back, so I'm very, very happy about it. Just gotta get it like buffed out a little bit so it can be a little smoother. That's how the inside looks. Very clean, very demure, you know what I mean? Lights looking pretty. Everything is beautiful. Oh my god, they ate this shit up, twin. I'm not even gonna lie. So it's been a few days since I last picked up this camera. On the commute here to school, it started snowing, so the vehicle got dirty on the way to school. So I was like, bro, there's no point in washing it just for it to keep snowing. And for these past 2 days, it's been snowing OD. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna film the video with it looking dirty or not, because y'all seen how it looked when it was clean. This is my new 2022 Hyundai Sonata Nline Night Edition. You know what I mean? The Night Edition comes with the all black rims with the carbon fiber center capsule right here. You can't really see it because it's dirty with the red outline around it. My tires got getting some air. It looks a little low, but comes with that. It also comes with a rear carbon fiber spoiler, things of that nature. Comes with a 2.5 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, creating 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Pretty fast car, I'm not gonna lie. 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Quarter mile, I think 13.8, depending on the weather. Also, this feature where if you walk up to the car, I think when it's locked, right here, yep, the trunk automatically opens by itself. Like I'm using no hands, and it opens by itself. It's like that. So it's a cool feature if you have a lot of groceries in your hands, or if you don't feel like touching a dirty car. Let's dive into the inside. So as you get into the inside, you have red stitching all around. You also got an auto body right here. You know what I mean? I gotta treat my guests right when it comes to the vehicle. Oh, let me get in. Don't mind my book bag. I just got back from class. So you got plenty of leg room right here. A lot of leg room. A lot of headspace. I'm only like 5'8", so of course I'm gonna fit anywhere, to be honest. But it's always good to have a lot of room. And we have the vents back here. We also have a charging port. Leather seats right here, but also Alcantara right here as well. Red stitching all around. Red is my favorite color. Then if you give me a car that has anything with red in it, bro, I'ma love it. I do have to change these mats, bro, to the plastic ones because when you keep stepping on them with the snow and stuff like that, it's gonna really get it dirty. Now heading to the front where I spend most of my days, you know what I mean? The driver, get in. Still more red stitching around. You also got your automatic windows for both passenger and driver. Only ones that have to be manual are the back ones. Speaker system is Bose. Steering wheel very comfortable, very smooth, very easy to turn. I'm not gonna lie, it's really comfortable when driving this vehicle, not gonna lie. Very, very comfortable. Easy to maneuver. Very, very free. But also, when you're driving it, it really grips with you around corners and stuff like that. You get your paddle shifters, the downshift, upshift. You have your change song right here, up volume, down volume. Here you could, if you have the wireless CarPlay, you can hold this down. It connects to your phone without you having to plug it in or nothing like that. But I use this phone for my CarPlay, so I just plug it in there. But you got your cruise control. You have your self-driving mode right here. I'll show that a little bit later when I get on the highway and show y'all a little drive around. You got the infotainment screen right here. You got vehicle. It's like the setup right here. It's pretty fast too. It's not bad at all. Driver assistant, drive mode, active sound. I have it on the highest one so I can hear the car when I drive. I like hearing it. It's the cluster. You got climate. All that stuff. You have lights. This car comes with ambient light. You're not gonna really see it right now because it's the daytime, but in the nighttime I'll be sure to show. You can see it a little bit right here, so a little under. But in the nighttime I'll give y'all a better look. Red stitching all around red stitching on the seats. These are bucket seats right here. Alcantara bucket seats with leather, and it has the end right here. It also has a fully panoramic roof that goes back all the way back, but this one stops halfway up to here. But it's still cool. You could, when you look at lookout, it's fire. And then you just press it back and it comes back and it closes all the way. Let's see in a second. Just like that. Coming to here, you have auto hold. What auto hold is, I'll show y'all. I gotta get a service. So I set an appointment for tomorrow. But yeah. And one thing with this car, you can't drive off if the door is open, no matter what you do. If the door is open or if you don't have your seatbelt on. So I gotta put the seatbelt on. So that's a cool safety feature, I guess, when I put it on, and I can drive. So basically what auto hold is when I come to a complete stop and I press it down a little bit, it auto holds. I can move my foot off the brake and it just stays there, it doesn't move. And I mean, so it gives you your foot like a little break from you continuously having to hold it down. Like it's kind of annoying. And you have your different drive modes. You have sport, you have sport plus. This is how you do launch control. You have to hold this down until everything gets disabled, and then brake, gas, and then let it build up, whatever, and then you launch it. Sometimes the launch doesn't work in this vehicle because it is hybrid as well. So I guess that's another reason why it doesn't really do launch control. I think I only did launch control once or twice in this vehicle, but I really don't need it, bro, because I don't be launching off the line. I just probably do a highway pull or whatever, second and third. Then you also have custom, which you could make your own drive mode. And now it's time to take y'all for a little spin. And I mean, I'm gonna do a little drive now, and then I'll do a drive in the nighttime, and we just dip. You know what I mean? This car is also very, 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 very smooth. You know what I mean? The steering wheel is very, very easy to turn. The indicator sound is beautiful. It's so satisfying. This car is also very fast, bro. I hit 150 yesterday. Oh, nah, he's bugging. 150 yesterday when driving on the highway. I don't recommend you doing that. It was very scary. No, it wasn't, but it was very fun. This is the sound system. I'm gonna play a song right now.
They going crazy, even getting straight to it. I done causing manufacturing and I'm fucking on the stories. Catch me in Atlanta, no security with my jewelry. I don't know how to reach my baby mama talking soon.
Well, this is self-driving feature right here. When the one that's green turns on, I mean it's in self-driving mode. Man, so it really steers itself. It follows the car in front. Any little minor turns, it corrects it. So I don't have to put my hand on the wheel, nothing like that. However, to do the cruise control as well, you hit the cruise control right here, and then you set it, and then you can take your foot off the gas, and then it just drives by itself. But most of the times I like to press the gas myself and then just let the car steer itself, because I like being in control of the speed limit it goes and stuff like that. Because with this, if there's a car not in front of you, it's not gonna slow down when it gets to a light. So I'd rather just drive it myself, like control the gas and brake myself, and then just let the car steer itself, because that's very cool. Now we are on the highway, you know what I mean? We're in normal mode right now. If you hear like a little shaking noise, it is the phone holder right here. It's on the glass, that's why it's shaking a little bit. But I'm going to do a little pull from 60. I'm gonna downshift all the way down to third gear in normal, and then I'm gonna just do a little send. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy, you know what I mean? Just in case there are state troopers outside. Kick it to 60, downshift to 30. Now I'm gonna kick it in sport, you know what I mean? I would show y'all sport plus, but there's no point in showing y'all sport plus, because sport plus is already just for the launch control, and it's just gonna spin out because there's no traction. So I'm just gonna do sport, third gear. Shit. Trying to go fast, dude. Can you just switch the lanes for me? No? You're not jacking it? Like, bro, speed up a little bit. Thank you. Back in normal, that was just normal mode and sport mode. I can't really like full send it for real like I want to, because there's a lot of cars on the road right now, and I'm not trying to die, you know what I mean? So, or get pulled over.
What's that? I did it for a while.
Like wife, now you see one smoke by the hoe. I told him kill somebody. She keep asking me how a nigga know, bitch, I ain't tell nobody.
But yeah, real quick before I close off today's video, let me show y'all the ambient lighting settings. So you could go the vehicle, you go down to lights, ambient, you go color, and you could choose from moon white, ice blue, ocean blue, shaded green. I'll be doing this is my custom color. It's pink, you know what I mean? Shit fire. But I just had the red on just now. You got the yellow. But you can also set custom colors and stuff, like any color you want. But put it back on red. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning into this video, man. I hope y'all did enjoy this video. Yeah, bro, more videos on this car coming very soon. Each and every single upgrade that I do on this vehicle, I'll be sure to keep y'all posted. With this car journey, man, it's gonna be a good little journey. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna take a little time, but it's gonna be fire. But just stay patient with me, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning into this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Safety, I love y'all. I'm weak.
Boy, put up in the gut.
You feel me?